Yeah, I'll make you feel better. You lie to me, I lie to you. You fucking make me throw up, man. Who would've known you were my downfall? You lie, and you ain't fly to me. No, girl, you hurt me so good. This ain't your world, so I ain't yours. Oh no, who would've known you were my downfall? You lie, and you ain't fly to me. No, girl, you hurt me so good. This ain't your world, so I ain't yours. Hey, are you there? Can you hear me? I wish you could see me right now. I'm fucking tearing, I'm losing it. Cause you a fake ass, it ain't gonna last. I'm getting rid of your snake ass. You used to be my favorite doll. I'm doing drugs now cause some food just made you take it off. Me and you was never a topic. Oh, stop it. You took me to Laughlin, you treat me like I was adopted. Here, take my cock, bitch, go mold it. Cause you can never hold it again. Take this dildo home with you. I hope you miss me, cause your fucking love just makes me dizzy. I'm through with you. Who would've known you were my downfall? You lie, and you ain't fly to me. No, girl, you hurt me so good. This ain't your world, so I ain't yours. Oh no, who would've known you were my downfall? You lie, and you ain't fly to me. No, girl, you hurt me so good. This ain't your world, so I ain't yours. First, it's for every time you cheated on me. I should've seen it coming. Your life will forever haunt me. You're the desperate housewife, and I'm the gardener. Come over here by the bush, so I can fuck you harder. You fucking lies, just bounce off me. You don't know what true love is. Want me to help you feel sorry? Damn, you make me vomit all the time. There was a limit, girl, but you never saw the line. You look so perfect inside that toilet. I'm not your number one, I'm not your fucking toy dick. You love to hurt me, sad is how you wanna see me. Why don't you call my baby mama? You could both double team me. Oh, you can't get a hold of me, my number's not the same. You only saw the pain, you all the same. Here's some feathers, put them on your head. Oh, you brought me a plate too? Give it to him instead, Bago just fled. Who would've known you were my downfall? You lie, and you ain't fly to me. No, girl, you hurt me so good. This ain't your world, so I ain't yours. Oh no, who would've known you were my downfall? You lie, and you ain't fly to me. No, girl, you hurt me so like that fool that was making you all hot, right? So I ain't yours. If I wanted pain, I would've let bullets hit me. Look what you did to me. You used to be beautiful and pretty. Look at you now. Oh, you brand new? You're old news, bitch. You fuck everything that wants to fuck you. You love the way I make love, but I won't share. Hey, Brandy loose, you're loose down there. You make me steam, I'm not being mean. You got some fucking nerve wearing that wedding ring. You guess right again, I'ma say bingo. Oh, I get it, you tryna fuck all the dicks you can before you get wrinkled. You could never touch this again. I'm too good for you, girl, but you could touch his again. You're a good actor, why you heavy breathing on the phone? Are you jerking off? Oh, you must be making grown men moan. I bet you're the best at it. Suck it, bitch. Don't just look at it.
I don't wanna suck it no more.
Who would've known you were my downfall? You lie, and you ain't fly to me. No, girl, that hurt me so good. This ain't your world, so I ain't yours. Oh no, who would've known you were my downfall? You lie, and you ain't fly to me. No, girl, you hurt me so good. This ain't your world, so I ain't yours.